This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use picture-in-picture on your LG TV. So if you just go to the left to settings at any point in time or press settings on your remote, there's an option for multi-view down here at the bottom. We can just hit multi-view and select this. And we can see side-by-side multi-view. Just go to the right arrow right here and you can switch to picture-in-picture. Now you have to choose the applications you want to use. So it could be like live TV. I have live TV right here. I have camera, screen, something, whatever. I could choose YouTube. And then I have to choose my picture-in-picture. So I have YouTube in the background, and then my little picture I have to choose right now. So it could be one of these different applications. Now the only thing that kind of sucks, I can't use my same source, so I have to go on down. I can't use the live TV source for my little picture for some reason, so it kind of sucks. I go to HDMI 4 plus web browser. I go to contents down here for recommended combinations or wherever. So let's just choose one of these. Here's web browser, and then I have it selected. So I can go now, and then I have YouTube in the background, and then I have the web browser right here, which I can probably control. I don't think I have control of it. Doesn't seem like it's going up and down. But yeah, you can just check this out. This is how you do the picture-in-picture on here. Not as straightforward as previous TVs you probably had. Change view type, picture-in-picture, side-by-side. So yeah, you can just change the app right here. There's not a whole lot of different apps to move from though. But go ahead and just look at this if you want to do the picture-in-picture on here. That's where the option is. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.